Hello, and in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to skip a week in HelloFresh. So in case you go on vacation, here's how you skip a week on HelloFresh. So what you want to do first is go ahead and log in, and then right here where you normally see your deliveries, you want to click on the week in which you're going to be skipped, okay? So you have to make sure that there's enough time. You have to give HelloFresh enough time before they actually make your delivery. So right now it's the 19th. If I try to edit the 21st, because this is already shipping soon, I will not be able to edit this delivery. But if I go ahead in the 28th, this is where you're actually going to be able to skip a delivery. So you simply just click on edit delivery and then click on skip this week. So if you can't make this week somehow, you simply just skip this week. Either that, you can reschedule your delivery, you can change the box size, you can donate your box as well. This just makes it so much easier in case you go on vacation, in case you can't cook this week, you plan on eating out every day. This is how you actually skip a week on HelloFresh. It's very, very easy. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like or comment down below. And also, if you haven't signed up for HelloFresh just yet, you can use my link down below in the description. And once you sign up using my link, you actually get a free box of meals with HelloFresh. So again, use my link down below in the description. It would greatly help me out.